Hi guys, welcome back to our new video where we are going to talk about Building and Logistic Infra Expo. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Building and Logistic Infra Expo 2022 is a premium building and logistic event that addresses the entire supply chain of the building and construction and one of the most significant of its kind globally. The event is scheduled to be held from 1st of February to 5th of February 2022. Featuring a large number of exhibitors from India and the rest of the world. This Expo 2022 is going to witness new and innovative ideas, technologies and machinery equipment associated with building and logistic infrastructure. Now let's talk about some of the eye-catching highlights of this expo. Through this expo, you can set up an interactive booth and brand videos. You can also get a chance of video conferencing for buyer targeting and one-on-one networking opportunities. No doubt you will get an opportunity to exchange knowledge and perspective on the current industry trends. Live demonstration of latest product and service to grab leads. Lastly, you will get an opportunity to meet potential business partners and experts online. Now you must be wondering why you should attend this expo. Firstly, you will be getting an insight into the latest trend in the building and logistic infrastructure industry. Finding solution to the current challenges facing the industry can be easy. You will get to meet and network with others who are interested in the same thing you are. If you offer your own product and services, attending a conference can help you find new clients. You will be known about the new innovations and technologies. You can discover the new business opportunities. Networking opportunities can be also there. Nevertheless, you can develop new creative ideas for supporting your business. Under exhibitor profiles, you can see a lots of exhibitor profiles here. Start with Steel Modular Industrial Pre-Engineering Building, Bunks House, Steel modular prefabricated houses and structures, security portable cabin, prefabricated portable cabin, building heat insulation sheet, shipping containers, scissor lifts, cement building brick, puff insulated cabin, solar module mounting structures, galvanized corrugated sheet, balcony covering, fully automatic fly ash brick or paver block. And whereas under visitor profile you can see on your screen hotel, restaurant, cafe and bar, architects, banks and financial institutions, building managers, superintendents and owners, CEOs, VPs, COOs, country managers and other management or decision makers of public and private organizations, embassies and trade offices, engineers, architects and consultants, contractors, project management companies, non-governmental organizations, suppliers and buyers of relevant technologies, system integrators, liquor and wine logistic and shipping companies, ports, railways and terminals. And so, this ends our discussion of a Building and Logistic Infra Expo and why it is important for exhibitor and visitor. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you.